Welcome to Borok Paramedical Institution and Technology. With the state-of-art facilities, we are here to improve the quality of paramedic education in this state. With courses like BSc MLT, BSc RIT, BPT, A&M Nursing, BBA Hospital Management, and BSc Optometry. Our institute is affiliated to Tripura University, a central university. We have experienced faculties, well-equipped labs, and brilliant infrastructure, along with hostel facilities and placement assistance. We promise to build the best paramedic career of our students. Borok Paramedical Institution welcomes you to shape your career with us. Borok Paramedical Institution and Technology, Khomlong, Jirania.
Tôi là nén sàm nài Thằng này thì bà cao tao phá mới thẳng đời Anh đẹp thì lông lên Tôi là nén lông lên Anh xin đẹp là ai ở ngọc thô Tôi là nén sàm đời Xin mà thành nhờ chắc hẳn đời Xin mà thành nhờ tu ở nơi Tôi là nén sàm nài Đẹp thì